Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Atlassian Cloud Jira access problems. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. If you're experiencing access problems with Atlassian Cloud Jira, this tutorial will guide you through the troubleshooting process. First, verify your internet connection to ensure it's stable. Next, check if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance issues affecting Jira Cloud. Visit the Atlassian status page to see real-time updates. If everything is operational, proceed by clearing your browser cache. Access your browser settings and locate the cache data section. Select the option to clear cached images and files. Once cleared, restart your browser and try accessing Jira again. If you are still having issues, check your user permissions. Log into your Atlassian account and navigate to the User Management section. Ensure that your user role includes the necessary permissions for Jira. If permissions are correct, attempt to log out and log back into your account. This refreshing step may resolve temporary session issues. For further troubleshooting, try using a different web browser. Sometimes browser-specific issues can affect access. If you have access to another device, attempt to log in from there. This can help determine if the problem is device-specific. If the problem persists, review your firewall and security settings. Make sure that your network firewall allows connections to Jira. If you're using a VPN, try disconnecting from it temporarily. VPNs can sometimes interfere with access to certain websites. If you are still experiencing difficulties, reset your password. Navigate to the login page and click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to set a new password. Once you've reset your password, try logging in again. If none of these steps resolve your issue, contact Atlassian support. Provide them with as much detail as possible about your access problem. This will help them assist you more effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.